In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to register property in booking.com. Let's get started. First, navigate to the website booking.com. Provide your credentials and log into your account. Once you are logged in, look at the top right corner where you will find the option called List Your Property. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking that, you will be redirected to a new page where you can begin the registration process. Here, simply click on Create a New Listing. This will start the setup for your property. Now you'll need to select the type of property you want to list, such as an apartment, hotel, or house. After that, you'll be asked to enter important details like your property location, name, number of rooms, amenities, pricing, and availability. Make sure you fill in all the required information accurately, as this will help your property get approved and attract more guests. Once you have completed all these steps, submit your listing for review. And that's it. Your property will be registered on booking.com, and once it's approved, guests will be able to find and book it. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.